You're doing good. Hug the bear. Hug the bear.
Wow, look at you. Fantastic.
Hug the bear.
It's okay, baby. It's just a little kid.
You are doing so good. I'm proud of you.
I think she's the best patient we've had all day.
Mm-hmm.
The bravest.
Doing good.
You're doing really good.
So good. I'm just putting your teeth.
I got you.
I'm just fixing them back where they were. Matt, can you see?
Mm-hmm. Sure can.
I'm trying to see if we can get them back into position. We want to try to push that whole segment. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Oh, I'm so proud of you. That's pretty close. It's a little bit of wire, sweetie, if it feels funny, okay? Yeah, we'll trim it a little more. Let me just get out of this. And take a little off that side. And a little off that side. This is our little prime and bond in one. It's kind of like, I mean, it's an etch prime and bond, but we're going to actually, now keep in mind, you want to really use this and keep it as dry. Open a little bit bigger for me. There you go, because we're trying to keep those teeth dry back there.
I know this is difficult.
Well, and you cannot.
What you doing? Come here. Come here.
You're going to have to hold somebody's hand for a minute, okay? And actually what I'm going to do is hold, I'm actually going to use an extra step in here just to make sure we have plenty of retention. So this is where we're going to use the curing light. See, normally you would want to acid etch this and rinse it off and dry it, but we can't do that here. Open big, sweetie. It's just my fingers.
You're just putting medicine on your teeth. That's all. No needle, okay?
You can kind of.
Fingers in your way there, right?
They're okay.
Now we're just drying them. Sounds like a little hair dryer. Got your eyes closed?
So, the little curing light stays on for about 15 seconds to try to get them all as cured as we can. And then we're going to add, probably do this like one tooth at a time. Okay. Okay. Harder to manipulate to me. I'm gonna have to try to hold her lip back right there. If you can take your finger and hold her lip, because I've got to get to that tooth right there. So you want to put plenty of composite to where it's going to stay, and I'm moving it. And you just want to do one tooth at a time. I'm going to have to come back and position the tooth that's been... It'd be better to film this when we have another dentist helping me keep
it's
it.
alright. We'll just put
We're doing the best we can.
The ER's about though, you know.
Yeah. I mean, it's just hard to do in here anyway, no matter
Yeah.
what.
Mm-hmm.
Whether I had breathe in, it doesn't really matter. So this is composite that we're using, and usually cure at about 30 seconds each. Good thing she didn't knock any out. That's good. No. Okay, sweetheart. What I'm going to do is hold this teeth. Oops. Thank you. I'm just trying to clean it off a little.
Can't see if my finger's in the right spot. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I know.
I'm having to pull the tooth forward. Probably right.
Hurting, okay. Well, I'm pulling her lip over her head. She probably don't like that.
Actually, gonna add a little.
Oh, you're doing great. We're almost done.
A lot of times, if you have the means, a lot of times they'll actually use brackets to put the wire on with,
Right.
because you don't have to go back and pick all the composite off the teeth. Because when you come back to the clinic, when you take the splint off, you just got. I mean, it doesn't hurt the tooth because you know right where to stop with the little when you're using the finishing burr, because you know when you're about down to the enamel. It's just that it's tedious to take the composite down.
And with brackets,
But with a
you only
bracket,
have
you
to
just
do it
use
on
a
those,
little dab of.
just like with braces.
So that's one nice thing about using a bracket. But when you don't have that luxury, I know, sweetie.
Sorry, you want me to go?